Hey, are you fed up with living in the past, kind of stuck in pain all the time? Like it's so frustrating to wake up in the morning full of anxiety and just all those ruminating thoughts of maybe what somebody said or what they did or what they didn't do. Life is too short. Let's claim our power as women and create the best life possible. Even if it's cold outside, even if it's freezing, that we can have fun. There's so much in life that happens that the response to it is really whether it turns out to be a good thing or what we consider maybe a bad thing. But maybe there's no bad things. Maybe some things are just challenges for us to grow into the better version of ourselves. One who really learns to master her thinking and to live life to the fullest, regardless of what's going on. That if we can learn how to make good choices with the thoughts that we make, the thoughts that we choose, because all of our thoughts are optional, that if we can learn how to do that and do it well, I'm going to suggest that you can have an amazing life. You don't have to stay stuck. I was talking with some women and they were talking about how frustrating it was with their husbands and that they were really supporting divorce. Very different mindset than what I have as a Catholic woman, and the value that even in the suffering, there's a reason for it. It's happening for me, not just to me. It's easy to stay in a victim place, blaming my husband or circumstances of why life stinks and why, the way society says we should just get divorced. What if there's another way? What if there's a way that when we can become the best version of ourselves, change our thinking, claim our power, that our marriages can change too, our relationships change, our husbands change, all based on particular skills and ways of thinking, ways of taking care of ourselves, ways of responding, right? We can all respond in different ways. So like it's cold out today. It's cold. Actually, I'm going to change that thought. It's warm. It's been wicked cold and the winds have been frigid. Today, it's 31 degrees out. Now, some of you are going to think, 31 degrees, that's crazy. That's cold. I'm not going outside. Well, you know what? 31 degrees today, my thought is it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. The winds are not heavy. There are ice fishermen out there. So people that learn how to have fun, even when it's cold. Everything in life is all about the thoughts that we choose. Thoughts are optional. Then we can respond in different ways where you can create a great life, even when it's cold. If you're ready for change and you're ready for improving your life and learning how to master your thinking, reach out. I'm Coach Carol and I'm standing for you.